Hi student, in previous video we completed exercise 7.1 by using distance formula. Now in this video we are going to solve exercise 7.2. In this exercise we use a section formula. What is section formula? If a point xy divides given points x1, y1, x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2, then trisectional point x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is a trisectional formula. Here in this exercise sometimes they give you 2 points and ratio, then we want to find out trisectional point. Sometimes they will give 1 point ratio on the trisectional point. We have to find out the second point. Sometimes they give these 3 points and we have to find out a ratio. If ratio not given means a maximum trisectional point, we can take ratio as 1:2 or 2:1. Now let us start exercise. In first question they gave 2 points. Given points are -1, 7 and 4, -3, and ratio also they gave m1 is to m2 is 2:3. Therefore, coordinates of point which divides these 2 points in the ratio 2:3 is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute the values in a formula. First m1. What is m1 and what is m2? m1 is 2, m2 is 3. m1 2 into x2 4 plus m2 3 into x1 is -1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3. Next m1 2 y2 -3 plus m2 3 y1 7 by 2 plus 3 m1 plus m2. Now simplify. 2 4s 8, 3 1s 3 plus into minus 2 plus 3 5, 2 3s 6 plus into minus -6 plus 3 7s 21 by 5. Opposite symbols 8 minus 3 5 by 5, 21 minus 6 15 by 5. 5 1s 5 1s 5 1s 5 3s 1, 3. Next second problem. Again here also 2 points they gave. 4 -1 -2 -3. Here they not give ratio but they given a trisection. Therefore trisection given means we want to take a ratio as 1:2 or 2:1. Suppose I am taking 1:2. This is m1 and this is m2. Therefore coordinates of the point which divides given points in the ratio 1:2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the values. m1 1 x2 -2 x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 is -2 plus m2 into x1 4 by m1 plus m2. Again m1 y2 -3 m2 is 2 y1 is -1 by m1 is 1 m2 is 2. Multiply. 1 2s 2 -2 plus 2 4s 8 1 plus 2 3 3 1s 3 2 1s 2 plus into -2 by 3. Opposite symbol subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. Here both are same symbols. Addition. -3 -2 -5 by 3. Here cancellation. 3 1s 3 2s 2 and -5 by 3. Next third problem. Here 2 points and sectional point also they gave. We have to find out the ratio. Given points -3 10 6 -8. Next sectional point -1, 6. Now we have to find out a ratio. m1 is to m2 we have to find out. Again coordinates of sectional point is equal to formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute. Coordinates of sectional point they gave minus 1 comma 6 equal to m1 we don't know. m1 what is x2 value? x2 value is 6 plus m2 we don't know. x1 value is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 value is minus 8 plus m2 y1 value is 10 by m1 plus m2. Now minus 1 comma 6 is equal to 6 into m1, 6m1 plus into minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. First variable, first coefficient we will write, next variable. Now here these 2 points are equal. That means the first coordinate is x coordinate, next one is y coordinate. So minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. By equalizing this, we can get two equations. By solving two equations, we can found m1 and m2. Now, 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 1. And here, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. See, 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to, multiply with minus 1 into m1 plus m2. 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to minus m1 plus into minus m2. Just multiplied with 1. Now segregate like terms. Bring m1 to LHS side and transpose m2 to RHS side. 6m1, here minus m1 becomes plus m1 is equal to, here minus m2 is there, minus 3m2 becomes plus 3m2. 6 plus 1, 7m1 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2m2. Now variables divide and coefficients divide. That means m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. That implies m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. By simplifying this also we can get 2 is to 7. No need to simplify both. One simplify means enough. Here the ratio is 2 is to 7. Next fourth problem. Here 4 points they give and these point forms parallelogram. We have to find out x and y values. See, parallelogram, one of the property is diagonals bisect each other. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD are diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Suppose if the question given for 2 marks, simply you can find out bisecting point of diagonals. That means midpoint of diagonals are equal. Then given vertices forms parallelogram. In first exercise, given vertices forms parallelogram, square or rectangle means what we done? Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal or not checked. Next diagonals we found. Diagonals are not equal means we confirmed opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Therefore given points forms parallelogram. For long answers mean 4 mark question means we have to do like that. Suppose 2 marks given, 4 points they give. Check out 4 points forms parallelogram or not. Then we can use only diagonals property, that is both diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. Means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Now we can apply that property. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Since already they only gave ABCD forms parallelogram. Now midpoint of AC. What is A and what is C? First of all note down the points 1 and 2. C is x 6 and here B D. B is 4 and Y. D is 3, 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint is formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. By applying this formula, we can find out x and y. Now apply the formula x1 plus x2, 1 plus x by 2, y1 plus y2, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to x1 plus x2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 5 by 2, 1 plus x by 2, 6 plus 2, 8 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2, and here y plus 5 by 2. Equalizer coordinates. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. See, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Next 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Here cancel 2 ones, 2 fours. Now transpose 2 to RHS side. Here 1 plus x is equal to 7 by 2. Here it is dividing. If you transpose to RHS, it will become multiplication. 2 ones, 2 ones. 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. Here 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Transpose 2 to LHS side. Here it is dividing. If you send to LHS, it will becomes multiplication. 4 into 2 is equal to y plus 5. 8 is equal to y plus 5. Transpose 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to y. That implies y is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Next, fifth problem. One point and center they gave. We have to find out a second point. AB is diameter. O is a circle. B, vertices of B is 1, 4 and the center 2, minus 3. Now we have to find out coordinates of A. By observing here, center is a midpoint of diameter. So O is midpoint of AB. Now we use midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 2 minus 3. So therefore 2 minus 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here coordinates of A, x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2. Now substitute in formula. x1 we don't know, x2 is 1, y1 we don't know, y2 is 4 by 2. Again equalize coordinates. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. 2 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to y1 plus 4 by 2. Transpose 2, 2 2s 4. x1 plus 1. Now transpose 1. x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. x1 is equal to 3. Coming to here, transpose 2, multiplication. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6, y1 plus 4. Now plus 4 transpose to LHS, it becomes minus y1, minus 6, minus 4. Both are having same symbols, addition. Therefore, coordinates of A, x1, y1 is equal to x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. Students, in exercise 7.2, totally 10 problems are there. 1 to 5 I explained in first part. In next video, I will give explanation 6 to 10 problems in part 2. Thank you.